Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 102, which is binary tree level order traversal. Okay, in this question you just have to return the level of a binary tree. Means first you have to return 3, then after that you just have to return 920, and then after that you just have to return 15 and 7. Means this will return in a vector. Okay, and after that you just have to combine these vector into a single vector. So means this is a 2D vector, so you just have to do this. So this is a easy question. First you have to create a 2D vector. Okay, vector comma int answer, because our function type is 2D vector. So first you have to create the vector answer, and then you just have to write the condition. If root is equals to null, then you just have to return answer. Okay, means there is nothing. And after that you just have to make a queue node star which store the nodes of a tree queue. First you have to queue dot push root. Okay, you just have to push the root, and then you will traverse through the queue. So you just check while queue is not empty, and store the size of a queue as is equals to queue dot size and vector comma int comma level. Okay, this will store the each level of a binary tree, and then you will start the loop for int I equals to 0, I less than size, then I plus plus. Okay, you just have to traverse through the queue size. Okay, then store the tree node star node. Okay, which is queue dot front. You have to create a node which is starting value of a front, and then you just have to pop the value queue dot pop. Okay, and then you just have to check the if node ka left is not equals to null, then you just have to push back queue dot push back node ka left. Okay, and if node ka right is not equals to null, then you just have to push back the value push back node ka right. Okay, and after that you just have to push back the level dot push back the value of node ka val. Okay, node ka val, because this is the queue dot front, so you just have to push back. And after this ending of this loop, you just have to push back this level into your 2D vector answer. Okay, so you just have to push back the value answer dot pushback level. Okay, and after that you just have to return the answer, which is 2D vector. So let's run this code. There is an error queue dot push, sorry, not pushback, it should be push. So let's run this. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this worked properly. Thanks for watching.